Hi guys, it is 10:30 on Sunday night and I have decided to make a German pancake and I'm going to show you how to do it too. Step 1, heat your oven to 450 degrees. Step 2, mise en place. That means get everything ready ahead of time. As you can see, I have my flour, my salt, my milk, my eggs. I'm going to do this in the blender. You can also just do it in a bowl with a whisk. And I have all of my measuring tools out. I also have my glass pie plate. This is a 9-inch pie plate. You can do it in 8 or 9 inches. And I have a tablespoon of butter inside. Now, for this recipe, you need a very hot pan and melted butter. So my oven is already hot. I am going to set this pan in the oven to let it get warm and to melt that butter, and then I'm going to make the batter. It's really important that you have someone help you with this. Have someone keep an eye on that butter and make sure that it doesn't turn brown. You don't want burnt butter, okay? Step 1, we need 2 eggs, and I'm gonna just crack them straight into this blender right here. Notice I have a little bowl to keep my trash, and I just do a swift hit right on the hard surface and then gently work my thumbs into the crack and pull the egg open. Okay, I can set this aside. Next, I need a 1/2 cup of milk. This is my cute little liquid measuring cup. I'm going to find my mark at 1/2 and then get down at eye level. And make sure I get just the right amount. Pour that in. And now, all we have to do is put this blender lid on and high for about 10 seconds. All right, next step, we're going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's my little guy here. And sugar is optional, but a lot of people like it. I'm gonna put just a tablespoon in. This helps it brown and it also gives it a sweetness in case you want to just eat it plain without anything else. And finally, we need a 1/2 cup of flour. Here's my 1/2 cup measuring. First step, set this here so you can be reminded. I'm gonna fluff the flour and then sprinkle it into the cup until it's overflowing. I'm gonna take the flat edge of the knife, do that little chopping motion, sweep off the excess. Now all we have to do is blend it until it's smooth. Now again, you can do this in a bowl with a whisk, but it's really simple in the blender. You can actually overmix this batter. My pancake turned out a little tough tonight, which makes me think I mixed it too much. Just blend until it's smooth but not foamy. I think 10 to 15 seconds is adequate. Okay, at this point, my butter should be totally melted and sizzling, but not turning brown. So let's check it out. Okay, here's my butter. I'm gonna swish it around and set it down and very quickly pour all of the batter into it. Just gonna pop that back in the oven. For 15 minutes. And we're gonna bake this just until it is nice and big and tall and puffy. It should be very brown and crispy on the outside and tender in the middle. So while I'm waiting for that to cook, I'm gonna clean up. Now, the easiest way to do this is to rinse it out, fill it halfway with warm water, a little bit of soap, and then we're going to blend it until it's clean. Here we go. Ooh, I almost forgot the lid. Okay, I'm gonna finish cleaning up while this thing bakes, and I'll meet you back here in a second to let you know how it turns out. Give it a try, guys. Super easy, very impressive. Okay. Timer's going off. It's ready. Guys, open the oven door all the way. Don't do it part way so you don't burn the back of your arms. When I pull the rack out and reach in. There we go. There's our glorious German pancake. Mine didn't raise up as tall as I like. Maybe I didn't mix it enough. I don't know. Honey, can you go grab some powdered sugar out of the pantry, please? It's in a white bin. All right, here's how I prepare it. I am going to lift it right out of the pan. Thank you. And I said I lift it right out of the pan, but it comes out easier if you use more butter. So it says 1 tablespoon, I'd use 2. Okay, so notice it naturally deflates. That's okay. That's because the only thing keeping this baby up is steam power. So as soon as the steam is able to be released, the oven door is open up, the heat escapes, and the steam goes down and deflates, but it's still delicious. So the traditional way to eat a German pancake is to sprinkle it with fresh lemon juice. You can use lemon juice from the bottle too if you want. And then I have a lot of powdered sugar, so I just take this wire mesh strainer and tap, tap, tap over the top. And we need 2 plates, please. This is a treat. Now it is 10:52 and we are having German pancakes on a Sunday night. Don't worry, it works. Ready. And this serves 4. You can also serve 6, but in our house, actually, I think this only serves 2.
If you're really hungry, maybe only 1.
Yes, I could eat the whole thing myself, and I wouldn't put anything on it. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Delicious.
All right, guys, give it a try. Your family is gonna love it.
Quickie midnight snack.
Yeah.
Delicious. I love them.
Yeah, let's try. Oh my gosh, it was hot.
That's what I like about it.
Really good.
It's better than cold cereal.
Way better.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.